Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at the skills and competencies for a QS or quantity surveyor. So if you want to become a quantity surveyor, what are the skills required for this position? Again, my name is Milad Khan. If you guys got any question, please feel free to leave in the comment box. So in this short video, we're going to look at 8 fundamental skills you have to become a QS. So number one skills you need to have is the construction technology and environmental services. What does that mean is a QS should have the knowledge and understanding of principle of design and construction. QS should be able to liaise with other construction specialists to develop project-specific design and construction solutions. A QS should have an understanding of the relevant legislation and regulations and how they apply to specific projects. A QS should also have an understanding of how construction process and different elements of the building works. Moving on to number 2 skills, which is the programming and planning. A QS would need to utilize pre-contract planning and project programs to deal with the implementation of change, focus materials, manpower, machinery, and money. He should be able to use planning and programming to focus expenditure and assess the impact on the possible outcomes of change. A QS should have a thorough understanding of the various principles, techniques, and issues that relate to the programming and planning of projects. And number 3 skills is quantification and costing of construction works. Key to the quantity survey's responsibility is the ability to measure and define construction works with aim of valuing and controlling cost. He should be able to apply the appropriate standard method of measurement and forms of cost analysis to carry out the measurement and costing of works at all stages of construction. For this, he needs to be able to assess the suitability of an appropriate pricing document and or method of measurement. Number 4 skills for a QS is health and safety. Like all the participants in construction industry, quantity surveyors have a responsibility towards health and safety in any projects they are involved with. They need to be familiar with the health and safety processes and guidelines. A QS should have the knowledge and understanding of the principles and responsibilities imposed by the relevant law, codes of practice, and other regulations. Number 5 is insurance. A QS should have a good knowledge and understanding of the principles and practice governing the insurance of construction. They should have a detailed understanding of the contractual requirements under the various standard forms of contract. They are also responsible for compiling cost data for insurance claim. Now, number 6 skills a QS should have is the risk management. A quantity surveyor should have a detailed understanding of the nature, sources, and types of risk in particular sectors. He should be capable of carrying out risk assessment, applying the various methods and techniques to identify, analyze, and measure risk. He should be able to advise on the relationship between procurement routes and risk allocation and the allocation of risk to the various project parties. And finally, he must be able to advise the appropriate strategies to mitigate risk. Number 7 skill is value management and value engineering. A quantity surveyor might need to be involved in value management studies to advise a value management team on the cost implication of various decisions. And the final skill is negotiation. The responsibility of a quantity surveyor towards managing and controlling costs puts in a position where he often needs to negotiate with other parties. This can include negotiation with suppliers and subcontractors to agree on the cost of items. Finally, in the event of dispute, the quantity surveyor may have to negotiate to agree on an adequate settlement to satisfy all parties. So these are all the skills you have to have in order to become a QS. And that's all for me for today. If you guys got any question, please feel free to leave in the comment box, and please subscribe for next video. Thank you for watching.